Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. I certainly miss seeing you guys and I certainly miss reading you guys stories. So I thought I'd read a story that we read a lot in our classroom. And perfect timing, it's about springtime, which is upon us. So let's get started. This is Little Blue Truck's Springtime. Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. It's a yo-ho, sky blue, spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? I wonder who we'll find. Yo-ho, sheep, beep, beep, what's new? It's a little sheep. A little white lamb, and a twin lamb too. Look, two babies right down there. Who's out swimming in a line? Wow. Yo-ho, duck, and ducklings 9. Wow, there's 9 of them. Swimming in that stream, very pretty. Yo-ho, goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out to play? There's the goat. Oh. Yo-ho, cow, just munching corn. Yo-ho, little calf just born. Oh, look at him. So tiny. Right down there. Mama pig, who's in your pen? Piglets. 1, 2, 10. They're gonna have fun in that mud. Ears in clover? That looks funny. Hippity hop, yo-ho, bunny. Look, it's a bunny in the clover. What's back here? Oh my, we have more. Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another? Oh my gosh. Ooh, that one down there is munching on a carrot. Yummy. What is nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap, anybody home? Who's inside this smooth round dome? Look at that little dome. I wonder what's inside. Oh my gosh. Crickety crack, everybody shout. Yo-ho, chick, come on out. There was a chicken there. Chicken's very excited. Yo-ho, sun, yo-ho, sky, yo-ho, white clouds, sailing by. Birds that sing, frogs that leap, yo-ho, spring, beep, beep, beep. They all got everybody together, ready for spring. That was it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye.